हे गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू माय न्यू वीडियो। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कैसे आप बना सकते हैं एक परफेक्ट एप्पल इकोसिस्टम अंडर जस्ट ₹1 लाख विथ ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स इंक्लूड आईफोन, आईपैड, एप्पल वॉच, मैकबुक प्रो एंड इवन एयरपॉड्स। So guys, let's start. So first thing would be the iPhone 12 mini. This will cost nearly 21,000 for the 5G iPhone 12 mini. This has all the latest things which the 15 has, which is the latest and cost like 70,000 now and 80,000 when it was launched. This also has fast charge, wireless charging, and all the features which you can expect from a flagship phone in just rupees 21,000. So our next thing would be the iPad. So we are taking the Apple iPad Pro 11-inch 64 GB Wi-Fi, very refurbished, because for new we need to spend even more than the total budget of our ecosystem. So we need to buy refurbished. This has the Apple A12X Bionic chip. This was launched in 2019, and this is a very good iPad and does not lag behind. I think even it has a 120Hz refresh rate, and it will cost to nearly 24,000. And for the watch we'll take the Apple Watch Series 5 44mm 32 GB GPS plus cellular. This has 44mm, which is the larger version, and 32 GB space and GPS plus cellular, so you can also insert a SIM in it so that you can use it without your phone. OLED, always on retina display, and up to 18 hours battery life, so this is a good buy. And this will cost you just rupees 10,000 for all the latest features, which will even come with the Apple Watch Series 9, which costs 30,000. You can also take the Apple Watch SE, which costs the same. The SE, this is the latest one I think, but this I think you can see SE 40mm 32 GB. And for the laptop we are taking the Apple MacBook Pro Intel Core i7 i9. So basically this is a 2019 flagship laptop. This has the touch bar, a 16-inch really good display, 512 gigs of SSD and 16 gigs of RAM. We are taking it for 39,000. This also has Radeon Pro 4 GB of graphics card, 16 GB DDR4 RAM, 512 gigs and i7. So no lags and all anyway. High display, like this even has a greater resolution than the MacBook Air M1. So all the demanding tasks in such a budget, I think this is the best. This also has 4 GB graphics card, GDDR5, 4 Thunderbolt C ports, and a USB 3.1 Gen 2. So it supports all, and everything in it is good if you want a desktop laptop. This, even if you see the specifications, supports max 60Hz, yes, it's not 120Hz, which is not there even in the MacBook Air. If you buy it for like 1,20,000, so that's not a problem. Also has 4 ports more than the 2 ports in the Air. And lastly, for the AirPods, we would be taking the AirPods 3, which are the latest ones selling in the market now for like 20,000. So this is for 10,000 on Celebrity's website. And I think if you buy all things from one website, you can get even more discount. By AirPods 2, which is just one generation prior, then you can get it for 7,000, and AirPods Pro for 14,000. So good buy. So I would recommend all these to you if you want a perfect Apple ecosystem under just rupees 1 lakh. I will count the price. This is 20, this is 25, so 45, 55, 55, and this is 95, and this is 105. So this is approximately 1 lakh, because this is also 1,000 less, and this is also not 25. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Bye.